You should put some water in your bucket and rinse them off. Ew, there's no water.
Not yet.
Yeah, let me put your toys here.
Can you crunch the doodle?
Why?
Want to rinse your hands? Rinse. Ah, much better. Much better.
Don't let her reach into the bag
Bag?
with that now.
Yeah, no, that was wrong first.
You're a mess.
Are you a mess?
Papa's shoes?
Big shoes. Papa said C5O bum.
Caliburn, let me see that face. Ooh. Jeez, doodle face.
No, yo.
C5O bum. Tell your brain better run. Lotion? Well, that's not a spray. But
A babe.
spray? That's so the baby doesn't burn?
Bucket?
Oh, don't put me.
Yeah, she's washing my comb.
I
You washing my comb?
Doodle.
It has doodle on it?
Oh, yeah, then you better wash it. And Mimi's gonna have doodle in her hair. Her hair's almost the same color as yours, Shay. It's a little light, like she's got the lighter highlights in the sun.
My back.
Very close.
Do you? Look.
Poke?
Bonk.
Oh, bonk. Who's bonking you? Who's bonking? Papa bonking you?
What?
Oh, the frog is
He's combing
beautiful.
the frog's hair. Oh, he looks so handsome.
Ribbit.
Ribbit.
Right?
Ribbit. What? Bag?
Yeah.